Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Every day I wake up with the chirping of the birds. My garden is a safe shelter of various birds. I don't even know the name of the birds. Various birds such as a sparrow, pigeon, Indian manna, cuckoo, etc. come to my garden in the morning on a period occasion. One or two majority birds also pay a visit to my garden at that time. All the members of my family assembly to observe the beauty of those birds. We treat them like our special guests and offer seeds and water to eat, drink. And my favorite place in my house in the garden, I have developed an emotional attachment with the small stretch of greenery. Last year, my garden was totally destroyed by the super cyclone, and that incident made me very, very, very sad. That I, along with my grandfather, created the garden more beautifully by working day by day and night. Gardening and seeing the plants bloom gives me the amazing feelings to creating and something new. And my garden is so beautiful because many plants and soft grass over my garden. The grass mentioned properly and trimmed on a regular basis. This makes the garden ideal place to different exercise. I like to walk bare feet in my garden, and not only because of the soft grass over. Moreover, there is a swing in my garden where I can spend hours swinging on it. I don't bored doing my any activity in my garden. When it is a holy day, I spend my entire day in my garden doing various activities. I have cultivated many vegetables in my garden with the help of my grandfather, tomato, brinjal, lady pickle, and green chili, and among them. I am trying to make my garden an organic garden so that we don't have to depend upon vegetable bought from the market. These vegetables that I grow have several health benefits beside being fresh and chemical free. My grandfather is a garden of my garden. His most favorite place in the house in the garden, and spend many time day. He is a perfect example of a true nature love. He not only experiment with the plants of the garden but also take care of them like his own children. Thanks for watching.